friends. In this part, we are going to study about classification of chordates. Kingdom Animalia divided into two subkingdom, that are subkingdom non-chordates and subkingdom chordates. All chordate animals are grouped together in a single phylum, and the name of phylum is same, that is phylum chordate. Characters of chordates are: body is supported by notochord, pharyngeal gill slits or lungs are present for respiration, nerve cord is present on dorsal side of body, it is hollow, heart is present on ventral side of body. Phylum Chordata has been divided into three subphyla, are Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Subphylum Urochordata. These are marine animals. Their body is covered by skin like chest or tunic. Larvae of these animals are freely swimming and notochord is present in only tail region of larvae. Hence, they are called as Urochordata. Larvae metamorphose into adults after settling down at bottom of the sea. Generally, these animals are hermaphrodite. The example of subphylum Urochordata are Herdmania, Doliolum, Oikopleura, etc. Subphylum Cephalochordata. These are small fish-like marine animals. Notochord is present throughout the body length. Pharynx is very large and contains gill slits. These animals are unisexual. The example of subphylum Cephalochordata is Amphioxus. Subphylum Vertebrata or Craniata. In these animals, notochord is replaced by vertebral column. In these animals, head is well developed. Brain is protected by cranium. Endoskeleton is either cartilaginous or bony. Some chordates are jawless, whereas some have jaws. Subphylum Vertebrata has been further divided into 6 classes. Class Cyclostomata, class Pisces, class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves and class Mammalia. Class Cyclostomata. These animals have jawless mouth provided with sucker. Their skin is soft and without any scale. Pair appendages are absent. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Most of the animals are ectoparasites. The example of class Cyclostomata are Petromyzon, Myxine, etc. Class Pisces. These are cold-blooded aquatic animals living in marine and fresh waters. Body is spindle-shaped to minimize water resistance. They have paired and unpaired fins for swimming. Tail fin is useful as a steering organ during swimming. Exoskeleton is in the form of scales and endoskeleton is either cartilaginous or bony. Respiration occurs with gills. The example of class Pisces are rohu, pomfret, seahorse, shark, electric ray and stingray. Class Amphibia. These animals are strictly aquatic during larval life and perform only aquatic respiration, whereas they can live in water as well as on land during adult life and can perform aquatic as well as aerial respiration. They have two pairs of appendages. Digits are without claws. Exoskeleton is absent. Skin is without any derivative and usually kept moist for respiration. External air is absent but tympanum is present. Neck is absent. Eyes are prominent with eyelids. The example of class amphibia are frog, toad, and salamander. Class Reptilia. According to the course of animal evolution, these are first true terrestrial animals with creeping movement. These are cold-blooded animals. They creep on the land as their body cannot be lifted up. Their skin is dry and scaly. Neck is present between head and trunk. External air is absent. Digits are provided with claws. The example of class Reptilia are tortoise, lizard, and snake. Class Aves. These vertebrates are completely adapted for aerial life. These are warm-blooded, that is, they can maintain their body temperature constant. Their body is spindle-shaped to minimize air resistance during flight. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Digits are covered with scales and bear claws. Exoskeleton is present in the form of feathers. Neck is present between head and trunk. Jaws are modified into beak. The example of class Aves are peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, and penguin. Class Mammalia. Presence of mammary glands is typical character of Mammalia. These animals are warm-blooded. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Digits are provided with nails, claws, or hooves. Exoskeleton is in the form of hairs or fur. The example of class Mammalia are elephant, human, kangaroo, dolphin, and bat. Friends, in this part, we have studied about classification of chordates. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.